Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful sisters. Winter is here, and you know what that means. Dry skin, chapped lips, dullness, and sometimes feeling a little low about ourselves. But today we are changing that together, because you are about to learn a winter glow-up routine inspired by Islam, inside and out. These steps are practical, natural, based on prophetic teachings, and yes, we will include do-it-yourself face masks that actually work. So relax, breathe in, and get ready to glow spiritually, emotionally, and physically. Before we talk about skincare, I want to tell you a secret. In Islam, your glow does not begin with products, it begins with your heart. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Verily, in the body there is a piece of flesh which, if it is sound, the whole body is sound." This piece is the heart. So your glow up starts with taking care of what is inside, making dua, reducing stress, practicing gratitude, speaking kindly, forgiving easily, smiling more. Yes, smiling. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Your smile for your brother is an act of charity. A smile lifts your face and your soul. When your heart is soft, peaceful, and connected to your Creator, it shines through your eyes and your skin." Winter steals the moisture from our skin, so our routine has to give it back. Let's make this simple, effective, and inspired by natural ingredients praised in Islam. Step 1. Cleansing with honey. Honey is deeply respected in Islamic tradition. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said that healing is found in honey. Here is how to cleanse with it. 1 teaspoon raw honey. Mix with a little warm water. Gently massage onto your skin. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse. This makes your skin look nourished, fresh, and glowing instantly. Step 2. The Hydration Glow Serum, rose water and glycerin. This is an ancient Muslim skincare secret used for centuries. Mix 2 tablespoons rose water. 1 tablespoon glycerin. Apply at night for soft, smooth, dewy skin that stays hydrated even in harsh, cold weather. Here are powerful, proven face masks that bring real results. Mask 1, Milk and Turmeric Glow. Mask milk was beloved in the Sunnah, and turmeric brightens and evens skin tone. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon milk, a small pinch of turmeric, ½ teaspoon honey. Benefits include brightening, calming redness, moisturizing, and evening the complexion. Apply for 10 minutes, then rinse. Mask 2. Avocado and olive oil, deep moisture. Mask. Olive oil is mentioned in the Quran as a blessed oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon olive oil. This mask gives deep hydration, repairs winter damage, and makes your skin feel bouncy and nourished. Use once a week. Mask 3. Oatmeal and yogurt, soothing mask. Perfect for dry, flaky, sensitive winter skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon ground oats, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. This mask repairs the skin barrier, reduces redness, and softens rough texture. Apply for 10 to 12 minutes. Winter lips can get painful and cracked, but you only need 2 steps. Step 1. Sugar and honey. Lip scrub. Mix equal parts sugar and honey. Rub gently for 10 seconds to remove dead skin. Step 2. Olive oil or shea butter. Both are deeply healing, natural, and effective for winter lips. Apply as a nightly lip treatment for soft, smooth lips. Sunnah foods for a winter glow. Islam teaches that what we consume affects not just our physical health, but our emotional and spiritual health. Here are glow-boosting foods. 1. Honey nourishes the skin from within, boosts immunity, and supports digestion. 2. Olive oil. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Eat olive oil and anoint yourselves with it. 1 teaspoon a day is enough for benefits." 3. Dates rich in minerals, vitamins, fiber, and natural energy. 4. Warm water. Consistency matters more than quantity. Warm water helps digestion, skin hydration, and reduces bloating. Your night routine determines the condition of your skin. Here is a simple, effective, Islamic-inspired routine. Make wudu to cleanse the mind and body. Apply rose water for freshness. Moisturize with a small amount of olive or almond oil. End your night with gentle remembrance of Allah. Remember, true light, true radiance, true glow comes from Allah. There is a beautiful dua the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, would say, "O Allah, place light in my heart and light on my face." Make this dua before sleeping. It brings peace and a spiritual glow that no product can replace. Glow is not only about surface beauty, it is about presence, peace, femininity, dignity, and faith. Here are emotional and spiritual glow-up habits. Reduce comparison on social media, spend 5 minutes in gratitude, keep your living space tidy, sleep well and protect your peace, speak gently and avoid harshness, maintain pure intentions, smile often, do small acts of kindness every day. Your inner beauty radiates outward. A peaceful heart produces a peaceful face. My sister, your glow comes from Allah. Your beauty is a blessing. Your body is an amanah, a trust. Your smile is a charity. Your softness is strength. Your modesty is elegance. Your faith is your crown. Take care of yourself this winter, inside and out. You are worthy of care. You are worthy of love. You deserve to feel confident, nourished, and radiant. May Allah fill your face with light, your heart with peace, and your life with blessings. Ameen.